Hello friends, Namaskaram. How are you? Myself is Dr. Jinesh Soni. I am an advocate. Har Har Mahadev Jai Shiv Shambhu. In today's class, I will discuss an important concern about the safeguards, which are given to you as per law, but in absence of knowledge, you are not able to contest yourself. So basically, you have to understand about your rights so that whenever you are having the problem, you could easily encounter the same without any worry, without any panic. If you really want to update your information or knowledge, I request all of you, please maintain a proper notebook with pen or pencil so that whenever you are having the trouble, you could easily encounter the same without any panic, without any trouble. Basically, I'm going to emphasize on section 38 of BNSS. Do you know it is the most important protocol because it provides you a critical safeguard from being subjected towards the police humiliation during the course of interrogation. It ensures that the persons who are arrested is not supposed to be left alone. Basically, whenever you are implicated or arraigned as party in a criminal case, you internally face certain pressure. You might be in the anxiety. You might feel that you will be prosecuted or you will be charge sheeted on wrong basis. So to remove all the confusions or suspect from your mind, the protocol is given to you. So basically we have to understand who is eligible to get the benefit of section 38 of BNSS. It simply says when a person is arrested and interrogated by the police, he is having the right to consult the lawyer of his own choice. Basically it corresponds to section 41D of CRPC. So basically we could say that the person must be arrested, and apart from that he must be subjected towards the interrogation. If both the wings are absent in that scenario, the protocol would not be available. In addition to this, the right to consult the lawyer is given during the course of interrogation but not during the whole interrogation. Please be noted and emphasized. Basically the important question arises, why there is a need to provide the benefit of section 38 of BNSS? Do you know, to encounter the case at hand? So basically, if the concerned accused who is arrested inter alia consult the lawyer of his own choice, he may get guidance on the subject as well. And apart from that, the concerned counsel could enlighten him about his rights. For example, he is having the right to keep silence. He is not supposed to give any confession. If any evidences are obtained by the way of inducement, coercion, or compulsion, he may inform the advocate so that the advocate, in the time bound way, could submit the objection petition before the concerned court, and in this way, our rights could be protected from being prejudiced and from being compromised. In addition to this, it inter alia maintain the way of transparency so that the police could be within its limit. Basically, we are under fear that the police might use the harassment tools in order to compel us to do confession. So, by having the access, we could overcome from all these issues. So, basically, this is one of the most important right which is required to be exercised by all of you. So, simply, we could say that if you really want to invoke section 38, submit the application to the concerned IO at the beginning of the interrogation that you are having the legal right to consult with the lawyer of your own choice, and if the advocate is not given, in that scenario section 38 of BNSS will be enforced. So in this way, with the help of connecting evidences, we could submit our plea before the concerned court. But for this, we have to rely on one of the most important judgment of Honorable Supreme Court. The citation is 2016 SCC page number 277. Please be noted. And apart from that, it's duty of the police not to subject the accused towards humiliation or towards the harassment. So basically, if the evidences are being collected by the way of inducement, extortion, coercion, in this way, we could easily convey to our advocate and he could submit the objections regarding the same in the time-bound way before the concerned court. And apart from that, whenever we are produced before the concerned court and the right is not given to us, even at that time, we could submit the objection so that the liability of the erring officers could be determined as per law. So, in that scenario, section 38 of BNSS is one of the most important helpful tool in your hand. Otherwise, your rights will be prejudiced and will be compromised. So, to protect them and to value them, exercise your valuable rights. See you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.